grade, would you please stand? My fifth graders stand. We're going to work our way to the front today. So would my fourth grade friends please stand? Third grade friends please stand. Second grade friends please stand. First grade friends, would you stand quietly? And kindergarten friends, would you stand silently? We're all facing forward with our hand on our heart, ready to salute and start our assembly.
Good morning, my name is Kaylee. Please join me saying the Pledge of Allegiance. Attention, a salute pledge. Good morning, my name is Ransom. Please join me in saying Oklahoma Classroom. Attention, salute pledge. Good morning, my name is Gabriel. Please join me in saying the patriotic song when Johnny comes marching home.
When Johnny comes marching home again, hurrah, hurrah, we'll give him a hearty welcome and hurrah, hurrah. The men will cheer, the boys will shout, the ladies sing, we'll all tonight, we'll all feel gay when Johnny comes marching home.
Good morning, my name is Andrea. Please join me in saying the Liberty School Creed. Good morning, my name is Brett. Please join me in saying the Wildcat Way. Thank you. You may be seated. Good morning. My name is Ashley. The word of the month is gratitude. Gratitude is the quality of being thankful and showing appreciation. Please repeat after me. Gratitude is the quality of being thankful and showing appreciation. Thank you. Good morning, my name is Lilith. The quote of the week is, if you want to find happiness, find gratitude. Please repeat after me. If you want to find happiness, find gratitude. Thank you. Here is Miss Brown.
Good morning, Liberty Wildcats. It fills my heart with joy to see so many guests here today. We have a special bit of news. Our students of the month get honored this morning for leadership.
And we know every month we honor someone who has that really good character trait of the Wildcat way, and today it's for leadership. So parents, thank you for coming. We're really glad you're here. We're going to finish the parts of our assembly that we have left. So I'm starting with teachers. Are there any announcements from you this morning? Miss Parker has an announcement. It's always good to hear good news.
It is my friend Stand Silent in my class. Yesterday we achieved another 10 whole class watches and another excited to celebrate this afternoon. So let's give them the flea clap. All right, sit silent.
I have just as exciting news as my whole class would stand. We have also reached 10 whole class watches this week, and we're going to celebrate this afternoon as well. We're going to give the truck driver cheer. I know sometimes we do 3 honks and sometimes we've done 2. Today we're going to do 3, and I want to see everybody trying to do that. Look at my friends. Ready, go. Good job, everybody. Good job. Sit silent.
If I could have the kids in 4th and 5th grade that are going to be in our spelling bee stand up. There's about 25 or 26 of you. Stand up. We're planning on having the first in most people's recollection spelling bee on December the 13th. And all of these kids that are standing in 4th and 5th grade are accepted the challenge to be on stage right over there and spell their best. The winner will go to the regionals. I believe it's in Stillwater. And that winner will go on to the state competition and then on to nationals. And you could be looking right here at the National 2020 Spelling Bee Champion. It could happen from a small town like Ponca City, Oklahoma. So on December 13th, you guys are invited to be a witness to that. And I love that. It was called the Flea Club. I love that. Let's do that for all these people. Awesome job, you guys.
We have an announcement from our math committee. Mrs. Reese, are you doing that announcement? Last night we had math night at Liberty, and we saw so many Liberty friends and families come, and we have some prizes. So all the teachers that worked really hard on that committee, they rounded up some prizes, and we're going to find out who the lucky people are this morning.
You came last night, you visited tables, and you got to fill out a red ticket, and all those are in the basket. And we're going to start drawing. And when you come up, if your name is called, you can pick a game, a math game, to take home and play with your family. And you'll have to do it quickly, so be thinking as you look at them. Is Brown's drawing the first name? Kingston in Mrs. Reese's class. Ooh, he must be still at breakfast. We'll let him. Read for M. Yay! Come on up. Anna Ray in 3rd grade. Anna Ray. Just pick one. There's a lucky winner that already got to pick a prize, so we're gonna let someone else. Diana in 5th grade. Addie, is that 4th grade? Addie in 4th grade. And that's our last winner. So I'm glad lots of kids and families came to math night, and I hope the next time we have a special night that lots of families come and participate. Thanks for coming, kids.
Okay. Any other teachers with announcements? Is there any class that needs to move their paw print for perfect attendance yesterday? That's always exciting news if we can get closer to that victory lap. Okay, well, we're going to do our moment of silence now because at the very end, we have some pictures to take and things to do. So this is your time to think, reflect, pray, sit quietly. It's our moment of silence. Begin now. Thank you, Liberty Wildcats. I'm going to start our celebration this morning with kindergarten friends. And today, if we can have our kindergarten friends come up and stand on this yellow line, then we'll celebrate all 4 of them at the same time. And we'll do a celebration, and we'll save a big round of applause until the end, because lots of rounds of applauses take a long time. So we'll do a little celebration each time after the grade level. So, first friends from Miss Reese's class, for leadership, Alexis Hayden, and Jenna Bates. Second friends from Miss Smith's kindergarten class, Dalton Euchre and Annabelle Hayden. Let's give these 2 girls the roller coaster. Ready? Good job, girls. Sit silent. Second, we have first grade friends, my favorite. Giovanni Castaneda, come to the yellow line, and Lily Llewellyn. And we have 2 more friends, and then we'll celebrate when we get Miss Weatherly's friends here. Anthony Segura and Max Gardner. Let's give these friends fantastic. Fantastic. You should be proud. Sit silent. We're moving on to second grade friends from Miss Parker's class, Jalarian Burgess and Ashlyn Boswell. Miss Waters' class, McKenna Dobbs and Donovan Solano. Some of these are my old friends from my class. I'm so proud. Let's give these friends brilliant. Brilliant. Way to go, second grade. Our third grade friends from Miss Kinsfather's class, Isaac Norvell and Nikita Sporer. And third grade friends from Miss LaRue's class, Honore Calkins and Hurton Briand. We are proud of these third graders. Let's give them the cheese grater. Ready? You are great, great, great. Way to go, third grade. We're ready for fourth grade friends from Miss McDaniel's room, Erin Heddleson and Emma Butler. We also have Bailey Feathers and Roz Golay from Miss Waterman's class. Let's give them a hip, hip, hooray. Hip, hip, hooray. Impressive fourth grade. Fifth graders from Miss Renfro's class, Eric Euchre and Reagan Heskett. Fifth graders in Miss Ross's class, Marshall Winkler and Taya Yerby. Let's give these friends "You're great." You're great. Fifth grade, we're proud of you. Leadership is a really important thing to be noticed for. Sometimes leaders help other people know what to do. They set a good example. Sometimes they use their words and they're assertive and they might say something to you to help you be a good student. And other times, they're the quietest people. They're following examples of the teacher and the directions. They're showing people what to do. So when you're in your class today, be thinking, what would a good leader look like and sound like? Sometimes the leader's not the loudest person. Sometimes they're quiet, and they're just showing you what to do. And other times they might be telling you, and you might want to listen. Congratulations for all those students. At the end, when we get ready to stand, if you have a certificate, you're coming to that wall, and your parents will be able to get a picture of you, and Miss Renfro, she's going to take a picture of all the kids with certificates. Before I forget the most important thing, if you have a certificate, Miss Cox always has donuts with kids when they get honored for the Wildcat Way. She's going to do that Monday. So she will be here Monday, and after assembly, you can go have your donut with Miss Cox. She would never want to miss that. Liberty friends, look to your teachers for directions and have a great Friday.